round, guys.
Hello everybody! Welcome to Britain's Got Talent! Hi folks, good evening and welcome to the Hammersmith Apollo and welcome to the first show of Britain's Got Talent on this lovely sunny Saturday night. My name is Andy, it's my job to make sure you clap, cheer, scream, smile, look pretty and go wild in all the right places. For an estimated audience of 15 million people in 14 minutes time. Millions of people are going to see you on their TV screens tonight. So, if you're here with anybody you shouldn't be with, move. If at any point during the show you see a camera in your face, and we got loads of cameras here today, some that you can see, some that you can't see. If you see a camera on your face, if you see yourself on the big screen, that means 15 million people are looking at you. If they say anything you don't agree with, you let them know that you're not happy. You are the voices of the people at home. So let's have a little practice. The judges say louder. Judges say something you agree with. Judges say something you don't agree with. This is a I will say it now, I will also say it at the end of the evening. You have to give them back. They don't work. Don't prove me. Oh, one other thing. I'm just going to introduce you to Alan. Alan, where are you, Alan? All right, this is Alan. Everybody wave and go, hello, Alan. When we start the show, Alan is the governor. He'll tell us what we've got here. You've got a little person or an old person next to you. Pick them up, throw them up in the air. More wild now, that courageous you are, the more likely it is that you will be on telly. So, Hammersmith Apollo, let's see how loud you can be. After 3, going crazy. 1, 2, 3! Versus you lot over here, and we've got prizes to give away tonight, ranging from, thanks to our fantastic friends at Tesco, we've got Tesco goodie bags to give away. We've got a £300 Tesco card to give away. We've got tickets to the give those prizes to the loudest side, the side that's proper going for it, and the individuals who are living their best life. So, one more time, Hammersmith, make some noise!
And there's nothing we can do about it. Tonight, it's the semi-final.
Okay, folks, you are absolutely smashing it tonight. You really are. Remember, we've got tickets to the final to give away.
This was awful. I hated this. I mean,
24-hour one next door. Give her a round of applause. Well done. She's won 300 quid.
So if I don't press my golden buzzer, what happens? And they said it goes to the audience.
naman at pamonic tayo. Hindi naman siya ganun katakas.
Sigurado ka?
Oo.